Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling.
As you've seen during the progress of the kitchen, you notice that I did not paint the countertops because I am not going to paint the countertops. I'm going to stain them. I had a hard time picking the stain and what really went with it. At the end of the day, I went with espresso. I want a darker feel for it. And I went with this Bear stain and poly all-in-one, a contractor that I met at Home Depot. He uses this one and he says, you know what, 2 coats of this, you're good to go. You don't need to seal it or apply anything else on top. So I'm taking his advice. We'll see how this turns out. Now, I think I should tell you, I have never ever done this before. What I figured is, if worse comes to worse, I will sand it and paint it. So what have I got to lose? Nothing. I've watched all the YouTube channels and experts and everything else. So we're going to go with it. Delivers rich color and protection in one step. Can be used over polyurethane finishes. Easy water cleanup. Prep before use. 2 coats required. Make sure that you use gloves. If it stains wood, just imagine what it's going to do to your hands. I have to admit, I'm a little bit nervous about this. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I did apply 3 coats. It came out so pretty. Now the sink in this house was white, and no matter what you did, you could not get it white. So we decided to replace the sink. But of course, because of the shape, we didn't want to replace the counters. It had to be a specific shape. So we found one on Marketplace. I didn't want to pay $1,000 for it for a specific shape. So I found one on Marketplace, and lo and behold, you'll never believe it, $40, brand spanking new in the box. I'm gonna cry. So I picked up these at the dollar store because I wanted to put a little bit of artwork behind my counter. And I didn't want anything expensive because I change stuff all the time. So these were, I think they were $4 or $5. I went online. I wanted some herb pots. So I've got thyme and parsley and sage and stuff. So I'm going to frame these and see how they turn out. Paper that it came with, and I'm going to put it the other way so it can create a brighter background. Okay, moment of truth. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look. And there you go. $5. Now I have a couple more. Let's do them. And I've already put one here. And it does fit perfectly in there. Now, when my husband sees this video, oh my goodness. He's going to go, what the heck? You didn't measure? No, I didn't. I eyeball stuff. I eyeball about this much. Hey, not too bad for eyeballing it. Search the internet because they have free printables. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. They're free. All you need is a printer, print them out, and voila. Now the old cabinets over the window had that rippled wood effect, and to me that was a little bit dated, so I had my husband remove that and cut it straight.
You find the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm like.
Well, there you go, my friends. I hope you found this video helpful and you got some ideas. I did meet the challenge and it was actually a lot of fun. If you notice in the budget details, you will see that there is a light for over the island. That's going to be in the next week's video. In next week's video, oh my goodness, the kitchen table. Look at this mess. I can't even begin to tell you what a headache this was. But you know what? It came out beautiful at the end. So make sure that you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up. It means so much for the algorithm. And don't forget to share it if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing week. And always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when and never ever I wish I did. We'll see you next time.